Yeah, come all the way to the back. We'll take a right. Come back and take a right.
Alright, well set, thank you.
Trailer. Left and a right. I'm getting the thing when you get back here. Steve, do you think you could please put a little bit of sand in me before the pea gravel? This is the very back on the floor there. I got one little spot. No matter what I do, it just won't seal up. She's getting a new floor here probably next month. Well, I'll spread it across the top here, and then you just send your box up, and that'll seal all the way up. You're talking about the gate, right? Yes. Stockhouse number 66 from our scout for lightweight. Put your box up in it, and I should still get pretty good.
What can we get for you today?
We got $2 for convenience.
Alright, well done, thank you.
Yeah, that was perfect, Steve. Thank you.